सारा जहां देख लिया है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। हंस नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तरफा फिर लाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है, बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, ओ माँ तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, सोचता चुप जाऊं तेरे प्यार का तराना, नहीं चला नहीं सोचते दुनिया की खोज में। हंसना इनकार तेरे प्यार का तराना, एक नजर जा तेरी होती है प्यार की। दुनिया तब तो मेरे चमके दमके महके रे, तेरा चेहरा सूरज जैसा चांद सी तन है, प्यार है। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। तेरे पास ही मैं आ रहा हूँ, अपनी बाहें खोल दे। जोर से मुझको गले लगा ले, मुझको फिर वो प्यार दे। तू ही इज्जत लती है, तू ही मेरी मोहब्बत है, तेरे पैरों में जन्नत है। तू ही दिल, तू जान, वफा। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, ओ माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम,
Right, Chris.
Okay, firstly, I'd like to thank you for inviting me to say a few words regarding this terrible earthquake in Nepal. But we have been very busy with collecting blankets, tents, obviously with money. But we don't want to send money back home because we know what happens with it. But with that money, we have been buying tents from various places, and also the donations from customers who have been overwhelming, and they've been very kind so far. Just yesterday, I phoned my friend back home after a lengthy period of trying, and he actually informed me that 18 people in my own town have perished, and the houses have all gone down, so that people are actually living outside. And those whose house have not been demolished or been gone down, they actually giving them a shelter. So I've been trying to find out how we can actually continue to do this work, and I'm working very hard with this. But what I heard from Nepal was that the area that were not that far from Kathmandu, they're not even getting any shelters yet. So that we have actually been talking amongst ourselves with my friends, and then we're going to find a way to help these people out.
Oh, any suggestions, special things that you might like?
Well, when it happened, when we heard about this, we from Rajdip Tandoori and personally ourselves went to Argos, bought all the tents. Even they ran out of the tents, and it's a bit confusing to know. Sometimes they said we want dry food, sometimes they said tents and blankets. So we bought some 45 kilos of lentils and rices and donated it, and in the end they said to us that they need blankets and tents, not the food. So okay, so then we actually started buying the tents and blankets, and we have actually requested all our customers, the friends and families, to donate tents and blankets. Now, there again, they says now we need a sort of medicines, but the fact here is trying to send these medicines back home, and it is very difficult to send this back home because everything that goes through the government, and we are actually not sure how long it will take them to distribute these things. So we have actually got a couple of our friends who are actually like Kathmandu Corner. They are actually doing as hard work as they can, and we have actually given them all the parcels. Last couple of days back, my friend asked me to come and help him to repackage and carry the boxes, and I said, look, I've got a bad pack, so what I'll do is I'll send somebody which I'll pay to help this help out this effort, which I did. But at the moment, what we need is just the blankets and tents. That's the information that I've got. But there again, my house was like a depot because we have so many stuff in the house, but nobody was taking it. And every time I phoned, they said, look, we are packed up here, so we will call you back when we can to collect these things. So what we did was we found another company, one of my friend, he said, look, I actually have got someone who will do this. So he came and he took everything that I had. But I still have a lot of tents and blankets still left at my home through the customers, like St. Martin's Church. Father Simon donated his tent, and all the friends of St. Martin's, and there are quite a few other customers, loyal customers that we have, and we are very thankful to them, and hopefully we will continue to do this collection. And we've had a few blankets dropped in by a customer the other day at Rajdip Tandoori. So whatever you can, at the moment, the information that what I've got is to get the blankets and tents only. So whatever the information I get, then I will also tell this is what we are looking for.
Mm-hmm.
But if you're willing to donate cash, then we have a box in Rajdip Tandoori, so you can drop whatever you can give whatever you like. So through there, we will buy the tents and blankets, or whatever we have information, we get the information that what they require, that will be done.
Of course, monsoon season is coming up too.
Yeah, the monsoon season is coming up, and obviously I understand the blankets and tents would help, but the thing, also the food is required, because a lot of people have lost their stocks at home, so they need to buy the grains and the rice, whatever it is. So whatever the information that I get, I will pass it to my customers, and I'm sure they will help us out. On the Rice Slip Tandoori, I'd like to thank St. Martin's Church, along with Father Simon and Darrell, and all the customers, including Donald, who actually donated 2 gazebos that actually has already gone to Nepal, and all the blankets and tents that have been collected so far have already gone to Nepal. So we're still waiting to receive some more blankets and tents, and that once we get the information, then it will be told to all the customers that this is what is happening and what is being done. So if you have any issue or if you have any questions, please come and talk to Chris at Rice Slip Tandoori.